Hi, I'm Alia. So for today's video we are going to learn some proverbs, or as we say in Slovenian, Pregovori in Slovenian. So let's just begin. I believe this one that we will begin with, they also have in Spanish. At least this is what Matthew told me from the video how to order coffee in Slovenian. And how it goes is: Podarjenemu konju se ne gleda v zobe. So podarjenemu konju, it means a gifted horse. Se ne gleda v zobe, it means you do not look at its teeth, okay? And we would use this if, let's say, someone got a gift and they are not happy with it, and you would just say podarjenemu konju se ne gleda v zobe. It's like, you got a gift, don't look for mistakes now if you're not completely happy with the gift. Alright, then the second one is Denar ne raste na drevesu. So it means the money doesn't grow on tree. So I'm sure you heard this one before in English. So denar means money, ne raste, it doesn't grow, na drevesu, on the tree. So I'm sure you know when to use this one in situations like if someone's just throwing money away, let's say, and it's like, no, you need to work for it, it doesn't grow on the tree, right? And the third one is Narediti slona iz muhe. So this means to make an elephant out of a fly. And you would say this if there was some situation and it's really no big deal that something happened, you know, it's a small thing, and someone really built it up, oh, it was so awful, this, that, when really it was a very simple thing. And then let's continue with, I believe, the fourth one. So, ne hvali dneva pred nočjo. So, ne hvali, do not praise, dneva, the day, pred nočjo, before the night. Alright, so this means if, let's say, you had an amazing day, right? And you are, it's the evening and you're just telling your spouse, let's say, or your mom, oh, I had the most amazing day, this happened, that, it's the best day ever, but still there's some time left, right, from the day that something bad can happen and basically ruin this whole day that was so amazing. So this is when we would say ne hvali dneva pred nočjo. So it means until the situation is over, that is very good, that you shouldn't really praise it so much, just so that, let's say, you don't jinx it and something bad might happen. And then let's continue with the fifth one, which is gonna be Ljubo doma, Kdor ga ima. So this means basically home sweet home, yeah? So Ljubo doma, it's lovely at home, Kdor ga ima, who has it. So lovely home, who has it. The meaning is just that it's very nice to be at home, so, and that not everyone has the home, so just be happy that you have the home. Alright, then let's continue with the sixth one, which is Kdor čaka, dočaka. So it means the one that waits. Oh, how is it in English, dočakati? It's like, if you wait, the thing will happen. So if you wait, the thing that you are waiting for will happen. Alright? So with this one, it's all about patience. So you just need to be patient for the thing that you want to happen, and it will happen. Alright, so this is when we would say Kdor čaka, dočaka. Okay? And then the next one, kar lahko storiš danes, ne odlašaj na jutri. So it means what you can do today, do not put it off until tomorrow. Okay? So of course this means, let's say if you have some homework that's due to next week, it's better that you do it today, and not wait until tomorrow, because you don't know, maybe tomorrow you get busy doing something else and you just end up not doing your homework, which is super important. Alright, and then the next one is Brez dela ni jela. Okay, so Brez dela, so without work there's not gonna be any food. So if you don't work, then you won't have money, or if you have your own farm or something and you don't work on the farm, then you will not get the food on the table, right? So that would be bad. Alright, so I have 3 more left for this video, so let's continue with this one. It's one of my favorite actually. So Osel ne gre dvakrat na led. It means the donkey doesn't go on ice 2 times. Alright? So it just means that if you experience something bad, you know, you made a mistake, you took a wrong decision or something, and that you are not going to do it again because you learned your lesson, right? Alright, then let's continue with vaja dela mojstra, mojster dela vajo. So it means the exercise or practice is what makes the master, but then the master is the one that makes the practice, right? So if you work and you practice something, you will become a master, so you will get very good at it. And once you're so good that you master some trait or something, then you will be the one that will be able to create more practice and more exercises, right? Okay? And the last one that I have for you today is dve muhi na en mah. So it means 2 flies in one go. The fly as in the little insect or the little bee, yeah? So, dve muhi na en mah. And this one we would use if, let's say, you have 2 or more tasks to do and you somehow figure out how to do them both in one go. Okay, so then you're like, oh, I saved so much time, you know, so it's like dve muhi na en mah. I did this in such a short amount of time and I took care of everything. So an example would be for me, let's say, because my post office is a bit far. It's about 20-minute walk, but next to the post office is also a grocery shop, right? So if, let's say, I have to do my groceries and some mail comes for me, I can be like, oh, instead of just walking to the post office, you know, and then going back home, I can say dve muhi na en mah. I will also go grocery shopping, you know, so I will do 2 things which I anyway have to do, and I will just complete everything in a shorter amount of time than I would need to. Okay, but I have an extra one for you. I just remembered this one. So, 100 ljudi, 100 čudi. It means 100 people, 100 wonders. Okay? So, of course, everyone's different. Everyone is special in their own way. So if someone is doing something or does something you're not used to, or it's not really in your own nature, and then you would say 100 ljudi, 100 čudi, because everyone's different. Alright, so this is it for this video. I hope you like the pregovori or the proverbs which we did today. If any of them you also have in your mother tongue, I would be very curious to know, so please just write it down in the comment section below. And I will talk to you in my next video. Until then, ciao ciao!